Hello, hello everybody. Welcome to the Cybersecurity Career Accelerator. My name is Taimur Lal, and congratulations for choosing this, for choosing to invest in your career, in your cybersecurity career. Now, this course is very straightforward. It's very, very simple. I have five things to do in this course, which I'm going to be teaching you, which is how to improve your cybersecurity profile. That directly leads to increases your chances of landing a job, and I'm going to teach you how to get experience before you get hired. Right, a common complaint I see from a lot of people is like, how do I get experience? I'm not able to get that experience which I can put on my CV, and like recruiters say I don't have like experience which I'm not able to get. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to get that. I'm going to show you how to build your brand on LinkedIn and Twitter, and I'm going to show you how to leverage the power of AI to actually help you do these activities. Okay, AI is here, it is changing the world, so it makes absolutely no sense that you're not using it also. So we're going to talk about all of these things. So before we get started, if you're not familiar, my name is Taimur Ijlal. I hope you already know that. But about myself, just a brief history. I'm a multi-award winning cybersecurity leader. I'm a speaker, instructor. I teach a lot of courses on Udemy. I'm also a career coach. So I help people in their career journeys. And this is basically all the learning I've gotten from that, right? I have a YouTube channel called The Cloud Security Guy. I'm also a best selling author. I've written a few books like on AI governance and cybersecurity. I've written a book on zero trust. I'm there on Medium, LinkedIn, YouTube, I've already said, Twitter. So I'm available in a lot of platforms. I'm not massively popular, but I can be approached and reached on these platforms. And I've been in cybersecurity for the past 21 years, like I said. And the last couple of years, I have pivoted to helping people succeed in their cybersecurity careers, honestly. So, what am I doing now? Like I said, I'm currently based out of London, UK. I'm working in Amazon Web Services as a security consultant. I've been doing some coaching, like I told you. I also teach people how to monetize their technology skills. If you have skills in cybersecurity, if you have skills in cloud security, cloud computing, IT programming, I try to help people. I have a complete ebook on that, and also like love to create courses, content on the side. Right, honestly, I'm more of a writer. I don't like putting myself on the camera on YouTube and all these sort of things. I like to write most of all. So you'll find me mostly on LinkedIn, on Medium, on my newsletter. So that's about me, about this course. Now, this course is very, very straightforward. Like I said, it is designed to help you land a good job in cybersecurity, to help you in your cybersecurity career. I've deliberately made the lessons short. So please, no lesson will be like 30 minutes. I value your time, just as I hope you value mine. So, what I would suggest, if you want to succeed, block time in your calendar. Every day, block time calendar like 15 minutes. Take notes if you need to. But remember, every course I've tried to make it so that every lesson that you have an actionable thing you can do. Okay, and do not be passive while taking this course, please. If you don't take any action, nothing is going to happen. You're not going to magically succeed in cybersecurity. That's why I want to be very, very clear on this. Okay, so I've deliberately made each lesson very, very short, like not more than 5 6 or like a maximum 8 minutes, because I value your time, and I want you to take action. And this is what I want to be very, very clear about. A lot of the people I've helped in their career, I've seen the people who succeed are the people who take the action. It doesn't matter whether you succeed or fail, but you have to take action, right? And the people who complain the most and you don't see any like positive benefit come out are the people who are just going to take this course and go back to doing what they were doing before. And they say, okay, yeah, I'll do it when I get the time. No, don't do that. Block some time in your calendar. And after every lesson, I've tried to put down the action points, note them down, and actually do it. Okay, please. Otherwise, nothing is going to happen. So this was the introduction. I hope you understood it. Watch it again if you just don't have any issue. Like I said, this course is designed to help you in your cybersecurity career, and I've taken all the lessons that I've learned by coaching people and helping them in the cybersecurity career and put it here. So I hope it helps you out. I'll see you in the next lesson. Hello, everybody. Welcome to this lesson. Now, in this lesson, before we get started and on how to improve your cybersecurity career, I want to talk to you about some common cybersecurity career mistakes I've seen people make, and you won't believe how many I've seen them make. Right? So, I want to talk to you about a few things which I've seen over the course of 21 years. Okay, and it's astonishing how some of these things are pretty same. They don't change regardless of like who I talk to. And some of these common complaints are people come to me when I'm coaching them, I'm trying to help them out. They tell me that, look, the cybersecurity jobs are booming. When I go to LinkedIn or go to a career website, Lots of cybersecurity jobs are there, but they're not seeing success in the cybersecurity career. They get say that I'm not seeing any growth, I'm not happy, I'm not seeing any success in my cybersecurity career. So either they say they're not happy in the current job, right? They're not getting the salary increment they want, they're not getting the promotion, they're not getting the bonus, they're not seeing any growth, they're stuck in one a position, they're not moving up, right? So they're not able to get that job satisfaction, and to get out of it, they apply for jobs, right? They go to LinkedIn, they keep applying, and they don't get any response from recruiters, or they do get, but it doesn't move forward, right? I mean, unfortunately, that's the truth, right? Cybersecurity, when I started out 21 years, it was very niche. There weren't that many people, but now it's become massive. Jobs are there, but the competition is also there. So, what do people do, like, to fix this? What is the old way of fixing this? Like, I've seen a lot of people, okay, they see, okay, I'm not getting any response, I'm not happy, so they start applying, of course, but they also become like a cybersecurity certification factory. What does that mean? They keep doing certification after certification without any plan. They say, okay, I'll do the CSSP, okay, I'll do the CSAM, I'll do AWS, I'll do Azure, I'll do Google, and they keep on doing certifications because they think that this is how you move ahead in cybersecurity, right? Or even worse, they reach out to paid websites who do not specialize in cybersecurity. These people who say, yeah, give us some money, we'll polish your CV, we'll boost your profile to like 10,000 people, recruiters, and all that. 9 times out of 10, it is complete bogus. These people are not specializing in cybersecurity, okay? Or even worse, they're scammers. So they'll just take your money and like run away. So please, this is something I want you to understand, right? This is a big mistake. Don't do this. Or even worse, what people do is they are unhappy, they don't want to what do you call, they, even though they're unhappy, what they do is they just keep around waiting for the annual appraisal to happen, and they hope, okay, something good will happen, I'll get a promotion bonus. Unfortunately, most times it doesn't happen. So they'll go back, they say, okay, I'll wait for the next 12 months, and this is not a way to, you're demotivated, you're not happy. So what should you be focusing on? So this is what I'm going to teach you in this course, right? What you should be focusing on. So I hope I've set the background now. So this is what I'm talking about. What you should be doing. First of all, one very very important thing is you should be niching down. Please do not be going around saying I'm a security analyst, I'm a security manager. There are 10 million information security or cyber security managers there, right? You need to niche down. You need to find a specialization, because general skills will not make you stand out. Okay, cybersecurity is very very hot, but it's also very competitive, and there are like literally hundreds of specializations you can do. Okay, so niche down. Do not be like a general cybersecurity guy. Become the go-to guy, right? The second thing, which is very important, and it blows my mind how people do not do this, is optimizing your LinkedIn profile. Your very first impression, 9 times out of 10, that people do is to your LinkedIn profile, because people are not spending time. They treat LinkedIn very casually. They don't treat it like a professional representation of themselves on the internet. So LinkedIn, you need to optimize your LinkedIn profile. Okay. The second thing is, okay, even if you have optimized your LinkedIn profile, you need to generate traffic to it, right? How do you make people get eyes on your LinkedIn profile? 9 times out of 10, people are just saying, okay, they're either writing congratulations on some guy who's got promoted, or they're sharing that I've done this certification, I've done this course. 9 times out of 10, people will just say thank you, like, and that's it. They go away. You're not getting eyes onto your profile. And if you start doing that, one of those could possibly be your next hiring manager. And it's not just LinkedIn, it could be Twitter, YouTube. All of these can help to drive traffic to your profile. And that's what I'm going to like help you out on this. And lastly, leveraging AI is a massive advantage today. Very few people use it properly. You have powerful things like Google Bot, Chat GPT. I'm not going to bore you that Chat GPT is like a LLM, blah blah blah. Nobody cares about that. I'm talking about how to use Chat GPT to actually optimize your profile, optimize your LinkedIn, optimize your CV, and actually use it as like an assistant instead of a tool. Use it as an assistant. So I hope this was made you excited, and I hope this gave you some context what we're talking about. Okay, so let's get started, and I'll see you in the next lesson.